If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.
So in this video, we are going to see about the brand new config element which I created. It's called a README config element for JMeter. So this particular config element solves the problem of having a documentation right inside the JMeter. So right now, if you have to note down anything, all you need is to add some kind of element, and almost all the element has the comments section, right? But that has a drawback. Almost nobody will read the comments, or it might get lost in the noise of all the elements in your test plan. So this README config element, initially I created as a sampler, but based on the feedback, I converted it to a README config element. So this README config element helps you to embed the markdown documentation directly inside the JMeter. So no need to have separate README file or separate Google Doc or Word document, whatever your project is using in the repository. So all you need is to add this README config element. It's very lightweight, and you can store all the information about the test plan, onboarding information, points to remember, and any tips and tricks whoever is working on the particular test plan. So that's the problem it is solving. So here the features of this particular config element is it's a editor, plus it has the preview tab as well, where you can just preview the markdown, and it supports the GitHub flavored markdown, JFM. And also it has a new protocol called JMeter, where you can connect the nodes, JMeter nodes, using the JMeter:// and it supports dark theme, a light theme, and it persists inside the JMeter file. So you have to just go to this repository, or you can download it from the plugins manager. All you need is 5.6.3 and Java 21, and you can either use Maven or you can use the manual copy from the repository. I recommend you can download it from the plugins manager. At this time of recording, it's already published. So all you need is just open any JMeter and install the plugin, and right click, add config element, and then you can just add the README. And once it is done, you can just start adding all the information in the markdown format, and you can just preview it. So now let us quickly see in the demo. So as you see here, this is my sample test plan, and almost all the elements has the comment section here. And all you need is just right click, add config element, and go to README config element. I already added it here. As you see here, there are two tabs, write and preview. So write, you just start writing in typical markdown. You can follow all the syntax, the typical markdown syntax. And if you want to preview it, you can just preview this. And here, as you see, there are links, quick links. So homepage, which opens the browser here. And if you want to navigate to the particular element, you can just use this particular JMeter:// So this will navigate to the particular element if it is properly named. Otherwise, it will not navigate. It will just display the node not found. Now let me go to preview. And here, if I click on the thread group, it is automatically navigating to the thread group. And if I click on here, it is navigating correctly to request. But if I click here, there is a element. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this. Now let me save this. And if I go here and select this, and it says that a node not found. So it is aware of all the elements in your test plan and usually navigate between the elements. And also you can add table, you can add a code, you can add the list to do. So almost supports all the features of markdown. So this is very much optional kind of a element, but I recommend to include this in all your JMeter, so that one place where you can refer all the documentation purpose. And if you are onboarding a new member, instead of explaining, you can just note down in the README. Just like how README works in GitHub for all the repositories, you can have it similar for JMeter as well.
If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.